My name is Ntabele Nisawan from grade 10. So this project is all about security alarm. So we made this project, me and my partner, because we realized that in rural areas there are so many burglars. So this project in a solar in an income holitsatsi ibe a converter whole electrical. So here we have a battery. This battery is 0.5. Yes, and this one is 1.5 voltage. So here we have the bulb, and here's the bulb, and here's the bulb, here's the motor. So when the burglars are going to the burglar ga ditlamona e ba tloka di hlasela ha a tshwara le mati mona circuit e ba completed mona e be e ya lighta e ya lla. So yes, thank you.
My name is Karaba Makhache and I'm from the 10th grade. So partner Raka has already explained a little bit about our project. Our project is designed to reduce burglary in Lesotho. Crime rate has literally increased in Indara development. So when we are trying to help so it can be used in remote areas, but remote area even in urban areas it can also be used because the prices are what they fluctuate and it causes inconvenience because for example you'll be having this amount of money this month and next month you'll have this certain amount of money and means stable, like when you're financially stable okay cheap then financially stable and then expensive. So now we are trying to limit those inconveniences. So she mentioned but most importantly I would like to outline we went to the regional science fair and this project obtained position 1. So at the regional science fair we are told that we have position 1, 2 and 3 which qualified to go to the nationals. So we came back from the regional science fair, tried to improve our project because it has some certain limitations that we have to correct. So we tried to correct that limitations that we have been told to correct. So she mentioned that this solar captures light energy from the sun's radiation. It is converted into electrical energy. It's in this wires because copper is a good conductor of electricity because it has delocalized electrons. So and then it was stored in these two batteries. 0.5 voltages and 1.5. So we arrange like a parallel arrangement because hagabatli is share voltage the maximum production of electrical current. So high fitlaka kadi betring kamonana it converted into chemical energy and we know that chemical energy can be stored. So as I stand here honale chemical energy kamashaling anana, but then haseket like monanang the area more security it looked like ever completed. So Hale showed the burglar late and tries to open the door. The alarm goes off. So light in akamonanang it looked like indicator he tries to run to the other side. Light in a leona iamolaita and he tries to run to the other side. Light in iamolaita. So the reason why the bailey motarona kamona gore hamoto agobets at the bell who and then the neighbors won't be able they won't be able to hear this motor. So something is going on. So so let's say that this in a potential replace the alarm So however, let's say mona we have a neighborhood, we could tell the neighbors at night they might switch off their lights so that we can be able to detect there's something going on there and we need to go and help. So mona nanga need motho ma ka rentse kana le di album, I mean tsakana di alarm tse di sebedisang tse di tracing, but then it is more fortunate because it uses solar. Motho yeah, solar is expensive, but then we reka once off la haeba it costs about 2 million ho installer di solar tse le sotho mona na, it's just a once off thing. But motlaka sona di hydropower money we buy maybe after a week utlabo so fedile. So hence it is cheap. So one person would ask a question, Hogana, what about when it rains? Wouldn't the water temper with this circuits that we have here? So we designed this roofing so that it's able to tshireletsa this bulb the wire tsena tse kana le tsona mona, because ga tseba hore water and electricity don't mix, because definitely it's gonna be a shock. So re beile go finyena mona ene ha pula ena metsi ana a tlo theoha ha tlo tla affecta di wire tsena tse ka mona na.